welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. Happy new week to you all and I hope everyone is having a wonderful time. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And I believe this ad is just for this week because it ends on the 15th. Just make sure you're scanning your items on your app to see what CRTs or coupons you have to help with the deal. Let's start with Colgate toothpaste. The stain fighters are on sale for $3.99 and they are part of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2, both will total $7.98. We have a 3 off 2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $4.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. We have some good deals on board Beast sheet masks. They're on sale for 5 for $10, no extra care box bag. Pay $10 and that will make each one just $2. My next deal is spend $15 get $5 back on any Garnier facial care. And the only item I found that is within the 98% rule for the spend 15 is the Garnier cleansing balm. And it's priced at $14.99 and that's within the 98% rule. We have a $3 digital coupon and I also have a 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT. Both will take off $5 and drop it down to $9.99 and you will get 5 back, making it just $4.99. The next deal is spend 25 get 10 back on Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care. Pick up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, priced at $25.99. Use the $5 digital coupon, and if you have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT, that will work with this deal. Both will take off 10 and drop it down to $15.99 and you get 10 back. Submit your receipt to activate reward for $5 back when you spend 20. That will end up making this item just 99 cents. The next Neutrogena deal I have is spend 15 get 5 back on any Neutrogena acne care and you can pick up the acne patch priced at $14.99 and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 15. Use the $3.50 off Neutrogena coupon we have in our app and I also have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT. That will take off $7.50 and drop it down to $8.49 and you get 5 back, making it just $3.49. My next deal is buy 2 get $6 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each. They will total $11.58. Use 2 $2 coupons from coupons.com that will take off $4 and drop it down to $7.58 and you get 6 back, making them just $1.58 or 79 cents each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencil. Use 2 $3 CoverGirl coupon from last week's savings set to take off $6 and drop it down to $5.58 and you get 6 back, making them free and 42 cents money maker. My next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on any Maybelline cosmetics and I have 2 options for this deal. The first one is to pick up the Maybelline Baby Lips priced at $4.99 each and both will total $9.98. Use a $4 off Maybelline CRT that will drop it down to $5.98 and you get 6 back, making them free and 2 cents money maker. The second option I have is to pick up the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer priced at $10.29 and 1 single eyeshadow priced at $4.79. They will total $15.08. Use a $4 off Maybelline CRT and a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. Both will take off $7 and drop it down to $8.08 and you get 6 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on the concealer. That will end up making these two just 8 cents or 4 cents each. The next deal I have is on Real Technique sponges and they are part of spend 15 get 10 back. Pick up 1 Real Technique sponge priced at $6.99 and the second item you can pick up will be the sponge plus travel case priced at $8.49. They will total $15.48. Pay the $15.48 and get 10 back, making them just $5.48 or $2.79 each. We still have the Eucerin deal going on and it's part of the spend 20 get 10 back. Pick up 3 5-ounce Eucerin lotion priced at $6.99 in the app, but here it says $7.49. Whenever I do this deal, I like to ask the cashier to match the price. If you can do that and with the $6.99 price, The 3 will total $20.97. Use the $3 digital coupon. The $3 coupons we have on coupons.com is not scanning, but you can try it out to see if it will work for you. Using just the $3 digital coupon, pay $17.97 and you get 10 back. Submit your receipt to checkout 51 for $3 back on the second lotion and to Swagbox for $3 back on the third lotion, which will make them just $1.97 or 66 cents each. My next deal will be on Nivea body wash, and they on spend 20 get 10 back. Pick up 2 Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99 each and 1 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99. They will total $19.97, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Just make sure that your store follows the 98% rule. That way you can get your extra care box back. We have $2 digital coupon that is attaching to the men's body wash that will drop you down to $17.97 and you get 10 back. Submit your receipt to checkout 51 for $2 back on the second Nivea body wash and to Swagbox for another $2 back on the third Nivea body wash. After the rebates, these 3 will end up costing just $3.97 or $1.32 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on Irish Spring body wash or soft soap body wash. And the first way you can do this deal is to pick up 2 soft soap body wash priced at $6.59 each. Both will total $13.18. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.18 and you get 4 back, making them just $4.18 or $2.09 each. But if you'd rather pick up the Irish Spring, pick up 2. They are priced at $7.49 each. And the 2 body washes will total $14.98. Use the 5 off 2 coupon to drop it down to $9.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. If you need disposable razors, the one I have here might not be the best deal, but if you need them, then you can pick up 2 chic disposable razors on sale for 2 for $14, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Picking up 2, we only have $3 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $11 and you get 4 back, making them just $7 or $3.50 each. If you don't want to pick up the men's disposable razors, the Skintimates are part of this deal. You can pick it up as well. My next deal will be on Garnier Whole Blends. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and both will total $8. Use the 3 off 2 coupon we have in our app to drop it down to $5 and you get $4 back, and that will make them just $1 or 50 cents each. The next hair care deal I have is on Garnier Fruities, and they're on sale for $3.99 each, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and they will total $7.98. We have a 3 off 2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $4.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. OGX hair care are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. You can pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and they are priced at $9.29. And with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $5.57. These 2 will total $14.86. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.86 and you get 4 back, making them just $4.86 or $2.43 each. You can combine this deal with the Neutrogena facial care deal and submit your receipt to activate reward for $10 back when you spend $30. After the $10 back and the extra care box, these 3 items will end up free and $4.15 money maker. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on Tresemme hair care. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $7.99 each. They will total $15.98. Last week we received a 5 off 2 coupon. If you didn't use yours, you can use it this week, and that will drop it down to $10.98 and you get 5 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. My next deal is on L'Oreal Elvive, and they're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, pay $10 and get $5 back, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, limit of 1, and that will end up making them just $3.50 or $1.75 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on any clearer hair color. Pick up 2 texture and tones priced at $8.49 each. That's actually the cheapest. The other ones are priced at $10.49. But with this one, the two of them would total $16.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.98 and you get 5 back. Submit your receipt to Fetch for 1,500 points for buying 2. That's almost $1.50, and these two will end up costing just $4.48 or $2.24 each. If you used your digital coupon last week, you can go to coupons.com and print another one. But if you have the digital coupon and the printed coupon, this will be your breakdown. The two coupons will double dip and take off 12, dropping it down to $4.98, and you get $5 back. Submit your receipt to Fetch Reward for 1,500 points for buying 2, which is almost $1.50. That will end up making them free and $1.52 moneymaker. Next hair care deal I have is spend 20 get $10 back on any Pantene hair care. Pick up 2 Pantene products priced at $6.29 each and 1 Pantene product priced at $7.29. These 3 will total $20.37. Pay that and get 10 back, making them just $10.37 or $3.46 each. This week they have the perfect sense on buy one get one free, and if you're picking up the men's, they are priced at $19.99. Pick up 2, pay $19.99 for both, and it will make it $10 each. And for the women's, they are priced at $12.49. Pick up 2, pay $12.49, and that will make each one just $6.25. My next deal is on Centrum vitamins. They are part of spend 15 get $5 back, and I have 2 options. The first one is to pick up the Centrum Silver multivitamins 100 tabs priced at $15.49. We have a $4 coupon in our app, and that will expire on Sunday. And after the $4 come off, you will pay $11.49 and get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $4.49. The second option for this deal is to pick up the 110 count multi-gummies priced at $16.79. Use the $4 coupon to drop it down to $12.79 and you get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back, making it just $4.79. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, but I think it's a very good deal, and that will be on dish soap. And this type of deal, you can do it as many as you want as long as you have the coupons. Pick up 2 Palmolive dish soap on sale for buy one get one free, and they are priced at $4.99. We have 75 cents off digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.24 for both or $2.12 each. If you'd rather pick up the Ajax, on sale for buy one get one free, and they are priced at $4.19, go to ajax.com and print out a 75 cents coupon. That will drop it down to $3.44 for both or just $1.72 each. Lysol disinfectant wipes are on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2 priced at $5.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3. And they will total $8.99. We only have a $1 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $7.99 and you get 3 back, making them just $4.99 or $2.50 each. We have spent 25 get $5 back this week instead of the spend 30 get $10 back. And for this deal, pick up the Downy dryer sheets on sale for $6.99, 1 Tide detergent 84 ounce on sale for $12.99, and 1 Tide pod on sale for $5.49. These 3 items will total $25.47, and we have a $1 coupon in our app for the Tide pod, and the other 2 coupons will be from Coupons 24 app. The first one is a $3 off Tide detergent coupon, and the second one is a $1 off Downy dryer sheets. That will take off $5 and drop it down to $20.47, and you get 5 back, making them $15.47 or $5.16 each. Another option you can do for the spend 25, just remember this deal is a limit of 1, is to pick up the Dreft detergent on sale for $12.99, 1 Dreft scent booster on sale for $5.49, and Downy fabric refresher on sale for $6.99. These 3 will total $25.47. Use a $3 coupon for the Dress detergent from Coupon 24 app, $1 off for the scent booster also from Coupon 24 app, and a $1 off Downy coupon from Coupon 24 app. That will take off $5 and drop it down to $20.47, and you get $5 back, making them $15.47 or $5.16 each. Another easy deal you can pick up today will be on Arm & Hammer detergent. They are on sale for buy one get two free, and they are priced at $6.99. Pick up 3, $6.99, and that will make each one just $2.33. The pink stuff are on sale for 2 for $10. Pick up 2, pay $10, and that will make each one just $5. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on Huggies wipes, 56 to 64 counts, and they're on sale for 2 for $7. Pick up 2, pay $7, and get $2 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for 150 kicks back on each, limit of 2, and that means you get back 300 kicks, which is equal to $1.20. After that rebate, these two will end up costing just $3.80 or $1.90 each. Bouncy and Charming paper products are not giving back any extra care box this week, but they're on sale for $7.99. Pick up 1 Charming 6 mega rolls. Use the $1 off digital coupon we have. If you don't have yours in the app, you can check Coupons 24. They have one there. That will drop it down to just $6.99. Or you can pick up 1 Bounty 3 double rolls on sale for $7.99 and use the $1 digital coupon to make it just $6.99. These next items are not giving back any extra care box, but that will be on Swiffer wet clothes refills, the 24 counts. They're on sale for $9.99. Pick up 2, and they will total $19.98. We have a 10 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.98 for both, or $4.99 each. There are other options to pick from in case you don't need the wet clothes refill. These next items are not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on Kleenex. And they are on sale for 3 for $5. Pick up 3. Use the $1 off 3 digital coupon to drop it down to 4. Pay that, and that will make all 3 boxes just $4 or $1.33 each. The next deal I have has been going on for 2 weeks. If you still need more, it's on 40 count icebreaker ice cube gums on sale for $3.99, and when you buy one, you get $1 back. Pick up 1, pay $3.99, and you get $1 back, making it just $2.99. My next deal is on Kellogg's cereal. They are not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale for $1.99. Pick up 1. I have a $1 off Pili coupon that will make it just 99 cents. Without the Pili coupon, it will cost you $1.99, which I think is still a good price. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Talk to you next time. Bye.